Hello everyone, don't forget to subscribe to Teach Yourself Math. Today we'll be looking at lesson number 3, multiplication as comparison. Okay, so let's see what we have in example 1. I want you to follow me as I read through example 1. Let's read and understand what the question says. Masu attended camp for 7 days this summer. Tariq attended 3 times as many days as Masu. Find the number of days Tariq attended camp. So there are 2 persons here with different numbers. Let's see how to do this. Following the steps. Step 1, model Masu's days at camp. So since the first person we have is Masu, so let's give it a model. Okay, Masu attended the camp 7 days. So as dash group of 7 days. So since it's only 7 days, just 1 7 days, so we can have one group of 7 days, and that's something like this. Let's create a model for better understanding. So something like this. Okay, just one group, one box, but inside this one box there are 7 days. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So that's what we're saying. So this is for Masu. So let's go to step number 2. Tariq attended 3 times as many days at camp. So model Tariq's days at camp as, how many groups are we going to have now? It is 3 times. So it's going to be 3 groups of 7. So we are talking of something like this. Let me pick another pen. So something like this for Tariq. We also have box. So in this case, 3 boxes. 1, 2, and 3. Since it is 3 times 3 boxes, but in each of these boxes we have 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So in each box we have 7 days. Okay, so next, step 3. Find the total of 3 groups of 7. So we have 3 groups of 7. Okay, group 1 has 7, group 2 has 7, and group 3 also has 7. So that's going to be 7 plus 7 plus 7. If you do that, 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 7 will give you 21. Or another way of doing that is, there are 3 groups of 7. Each group has 7. So that's 7 times 3, and that will give you 21. So this is what we have. Tariq attended the camp for 21 days. Pause the video and try example 2 by yourself. After, play it back to check the correction. Example number 2. Let's read to understand. Mana used 15 beads to make a bracelet. This is 3 times as many beads as what Iman used. How many beads did Iman use? There are 2 persons here. We have Mana and we have Iman. And step 1. The bar diagram models this problem. Let's see. So we have Iman. How many beads did Iman use? This is what we are looking for. We don't know. Okay. But for Mana, we do know that Mana used 15 beads in total. So this is total of 15 beads, okay, to make a bracelet. This 15 beads is actually broken to be 3 times as many. So we break this into 3 parts, okay? 1, 2, and 3. So Mana used 3 times as many beads as Iman. So step 2. Find how many beads Iman used. Write an equation. Quite easy to do. Okay, we have, since it is 3 times, we don't know what we have here, but we know that the total number of beads used by Mana is 15. So that's why we have this 15. So we can do it two different ways, by either taking 15, which is the total used, divided by 3 times. So this is going to give us 5. Or the other way, what will you multiply with 3 in order to get 15? It is 5. Therefore, Iman used 5 beads. Okay, so let's take a look at this guided practice. I want you to try it by yourself, okay? So step 1, 3 times, question 1, 3 times as much. So we have a model here, but we have it to be 3 times as much as this, okay? So I can create another model, 3 times as much, 1, 2, 3. Another group, 1, 2, 3. So 3 times now, 1, 2, 3. So if I count the number of cycles there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9. 3 times 3 will give you 9. Alright, now to the independent practice. For the question number 2, it says 3 times as many. So the first thing you should do is, how many cycles group do you have here? It is just 1, so you have 1. Then since it is 3 times as many, put 3 here. So 3 times 1 will give you 3. Question number 3. 5 times more. Count the number of cycles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5. But it is also 5 times more. Another 5. 5 times 5, 25. 4 times as much as this. We count this 1, 2, 3. So this is 3. It is 4 times as much. 4 times 3, 12. Number 5. 10 times as much. But this time around, be careful. We have the answer to be 40. And 10 is already here. What will you multiply by 10 to give you 40? So the number of counts we should have here should be 4. Then 10 times 4 is 40. So try number 6 now by yourself. This is a new way. Try number 6. 2 times more. The 2 is already here and the answer is 6. So how many counts will I have here such that when I multiply it by 2, it will give me 6. So it's going to be 3. 2 times 3 is 6. And number 7, the last one I'm going to be doing, try it by yourself first. 2 multiplied by, what are we going to have here to have? 14. So how many cycles count will I have? The number multiplied by 2 will give me 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 times 7 is 14. Okay, I'm gonna see you in the next video. Please kindly subscribe to this channel. Thank you and bye bye.